Hey there, my lovers and friends. This is my weight loss journey. Over the last 10 years, I discovered and made my way to the ketogenic diet and became a black girl who ketoed. But suddenly, the last few years, I have gained weight, lost discipline, and I'm looking to gain it back. Follow my story to learn more.
My goal is to really get out of this diet. I eventually want to be able to do one meal a day. And what did you say?
I said that's not good for your metabolism.
It is good for your metabolism.
It slows it down.
No, it doesn't.
Off that one meal.
See, this is the classical way of thinking. What were people doing back in the Stone Ages? You think they was eating every 3 or 4 hours? They was eating every couple of days. And they survived. So our body is not, and that's why we store fat.
They weren't worried about physical fitness at that point in time either.
They were much more physically strenuous than we were.
Yeah, out of survival.
That's how our bodies are tuned to survive. That's why we store fat, because our body thinks that any moment we're gonna starve. We're too optimized. So anyway, this is what we go through when we want to have a new style. But yeah, I want to do one OMAD pretty much, and or really be good at the really like a 20-hour or so fast, so I'm not overeating. You can do it if you put your mind to it. You should try it for 1 week. Hey lovers and friends, I am taking a little bit of a work break to eat. I'm watching Miss Brooklyn's journey. She practices keto, and y'all, I'm really missing straight, I guess I don't want to call it, just like not clean keto. I'm really missing it. I want to be able to indulge in some sauces and fats. I just made some Brussels sprouts. And I had, believe it or not, this is like 300 calories with the skinny rice and these chicken thighs together with some sriracha. That's about to be a whole meal that I am about to smash on. So I'm dealing with like not losing weight as fast as I should be. I'm 3 weeks in, and I know that I need to make some changes, or really around working out. I think that's going to help tremendously, because I really have gotten kind of the better choices around food down, and I was challenged last week with everything. So I put on my workout gear yesterday, and then I was thinking about starting T25 and et cetera. I really don't know, but that's been one area I haven't been disciplined at. It's just so tough. Like, I'm not really about that workout life at all, but I think that is going to change the tide for me, because I really, the quicker I'm able to get down to my goal weight, the better I am going to be able to get into maintenance role and get into like regular keto from that perspective, and not super clean keto through the HCG diet. I put a question out there today because I haven't been doing, like, typically with HCG 2.0, they recommend like you have like a tablespoon of MCT oil or coconut oil. So I haven't been doing that just because I didn't want to suck up my calories. But to be honest, I haven't been all eating majority of my calories. I end the day maybe no more than 600 or whatever. So I went to Costco and I saw this organic coconut oil spray. It's still 0 everything, but I thought that would be kind of a change to implement versus the typical, canola oil. Ooh, sorry. Spam or whatever the case may be. So I'm doing that. I am still like eating on food. I probably do. I still have these lamb loin chops that are very easy to make, and a whole bunch of rice, cauliflower, and still some broccoli. But I think I'm going to go to Costco today and get a rotisserie chicken and maybe some more Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are so good, just really simply made. I like them so much, but they're really high in carbohydrates. And as y'all know, for this particular version of the HED, I'm not counting net carbs, it's just carbs. All my carbs are coming from really vegetables. That is so bomb. That's what's going on right now. I am losing inches. I'm really excited about that. Oh, I'm really excited about that. Ooh, I made it nice and spicy. I can see like my back fat just going down so much, which is such a big indicator for me around losing weight. But the scale has not been moving has not been moving. In fact, it's been going up, and that's probably a testament to like some changes and things of that nature. But I'm going to be keeping on this until I run out of kind of injections. I've been thus far faring pretty well, eating like this. And as I've been saying on the other videos, like if I can't lose weight and I'm eating like 700 calories a day, like what's really going on? What's really going on? But I think I might step out the house and go to Costco. I finished all that turkey bacon, and I'm thinking maybe this next week won't do so much processed food. I don't know if that has something to do with it. Although that turkey bacon was absolute life. Definitely still have the egg whites and asparagus. I might start making a batch of that. What's today? Midweek. Tomorrow, for my next round, and maybe do 2 as a serving. I was initially eating with turkey bacon, but I might cut the turkey bacon. I'm out of chicken, so that's why I'm saying I might go get some rotisserie chicken and some more seafood. I want to see if scallops, because I can imagine like scallops and some Brussels sprouts being a whole move, or whatever the case may be. I am still testing. I went to TJ Maxx and found like all my favorite aioli sauces. And so sometimes with the tuna, I'm also like on my last 2 cans of tuna, or maybe a little bit more. I'm still doing like a tablespoon or 2 of mayonnaise. We'll see. I'm gonna do a check-in tomorrow though around my weight. I really hope that I am losing, and if I'm not losing, then I might need to do like a pure protein day and see what's going on from a weight perspective, because I definitely want to do that. And plus, like honestly, you guys, if I really want to maintain this long-term weight loss, not only is it like my smart decisions in the kitchen, but I've got to get into the gym, just even from a health perspective and how I want to trim up. I just got to get into the gym. So I might go today. I'm not sure. I have this nice handheld Joby that my friend let me borrow, so I'm so excited about that. Hopefully I am in frame. Okay, yeah, I am. And all of that. And I think maybe we're overdue for like a Costco run. I have to check my budget. I think the rotisserie chicken would kind of be an easy one. I have a ton of broccoli. Yeah, that's my update. Ugh, doesn't this look so tasty?
Thank you for following my weight loss journey. Please use the button below to subscribe to my channel, and also click this link to directly follow the playlist for all my Black Girls Keto content. Thank you.